7 facts about seagulls. Place 7. Seagulls are a type of bird that belong to the family Laridae, which also includes terns and skimmers. Place 6. There are over 50 species of seagulls worldwide, with some of the most common species found in North America including the herring gull, ring-billed gull, and California gull. Place 5. Seagulls are omnivorous birds and will eat a variety of foods including fish, crustaceans, insects, eggs, and even garbage. Place 4. Seagulls are known for their loud, distinctive calls, which can vary depending on the species. Place 3. Seagulls have webbed feet and powerful wings that allow them to swim and fly. Place 5. Seagulls are social birds and often form large